Easy English Conversation Practice. By Teddy Bear's Story Time. Family's Term Break Trip. A family of 4 at Heathrow Airport for their holiday trip to Greece during term break. All right, everyone, we've got our passports and boarding passes ready. Let's head to the check-in counter. Agreed. Kids, make sure you have all your essentials in your backpacks. And I have my coloring set and puzzle, Mum. And I have my coloring set and puzzle, Mum. Great. Dad, are we going to see the Parthenon in Greece? Yes, we are, buddy. It's going to be amazing. At the check-in counter. Good morning. How can I help you today? Good morning. We're the Smith family, checking in for our flight to Greece. Perfect. Could I see your passports and tickets, please? Here they are. As she handing over the passports and tickets. Thank you. Just a moment while I process your check-in. Few minutes later. Please place your checked baggage on the belt over there for weighing, and make sure it doesn't exceed the limit. Sure, here they are. Kindly ensure that any sharp objects and liquids over 100 milliliters are placed inside your checked baggage. Everything has been packed accordingly. All right, your luggage is checked in. Here are your boarding passes. Enjoy your flight and have a wonderful trip. Thank you so much. Have a lovely day. Mum, can I get a snack before we go through security? Sure, sweetie. Let's grab something quick at the cafe. Outside the departure gate. I can't wait to swim in the clear blue waters of Greece. And I want to try some yummy Greek food. It's going to be such a fun week exploring new places and trying new things. Absolutely. We'll make lots of unforgettable memories together. As they prepare to board the flight. Mum, I'm so excited about this trip. Me too, sweetheart. It's going to be an incredible adventure. I want the window seats. No problem, honey. I will seat next to you. Flight attendant announcing. Boarding now for the flight to Athens, Greece. That's us, everyone. Let's get ready to go. They all head towards the boarding gate, excited and ready for their family holiday to Greece. The end. Enjoyed it? Show your love by giving the video a thumbs up. Interested in mastering more English conversation? Subscribe to Teddy Bear's Story Time for further learning. Activate the notifications to receive the latest updates, news.